All right, we're going to be going over Amazon stock and options trading for Amazon. So Amazon has been doing pretty okay the past week. It is pretty flat. It had a lot of ups and downs. But as we mentioned before, we do like Amazon under $100 per share. It's one of those psychological price points that we really want to watch for. And I think if it breaks $100 per share, we can see a huge spike in price. But for now, we've been selling a lot of options on Amazon stock, and we do have a current cash secured put on Amazon stock, the $86 put for December 9th. And we are up 84% return on that options play. So we're going to be looking for another one pretty soon. But as we mentioned earlier, Amazon, it is down quite a bit, down 45% in the past year, and we do like it under the $100 price point. So we're going to continue to sell options on Amazon stock. So something we can do is a cash gear put. Make sure you go on sell and put in December 16th expiration date. That's going to be 2 weeks out approximately. And we do think that Amazon will probably stay around the $90 price point. So what we can do is sell something like an $88 cash secured put for an 80% chance of profit. And if it does end up going below our strike price of $88 per share at expiration December 16th, we'll have to buy 100 shares of the Amazon stock at $88 per share, which I'm completely okay with doing because I do like the stock under $100 per share, as I mentioned earlier. And once we get assigned shares, we can go ahead and use the wheel strategy and sell a covered call and continue that process and making a lot of option income. So this cash could put right here will give us a little bit over a 1% return in 2 weeks. So you could do two of these in a month. And that'll give us maybe around a 2 to 3% return per month just by selling options on Amazon. So as you can see, really great option strategy here. And this is really how you're going to grow your wealth, grow your portfolios over the long term because it's consistent profits. And we're going to be reinvesting those profits into more options plays. And we're going to let compound interest grow our portfolios over the long term. So this is how we're going to be getting rich over long term. And as we can see, our max profit is going to be $95 on this trade because we are selling a put, and the max profit is going to be the premium that we're receiving. But the good news is that we're going to be receiving a good amount of option premium, and you can consider it kind of like a dividend almost. You're getting paid every 2 weeks or whatever your strike expiration date is. And it is going to be a lot more money than holding dividend stocks. But dividend stocks, buying and holding, that's a simple strategy. You don't even have to look at it, and it's going to reinvest your dividends automatically for you. But for people who want a little bit more active trading, Amazon cash care puts is going to be the way to go because you're going to be receiving more money. But the only downside is that you do have to do this every 2 weeks or whatever your expiration date is. So it is actively managed. But overall, both strategies are great. Both are going to grow your portfolios and just let compound interest do its thing over the long term.